Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to Interdis 2025. First of all, I like to say thanks to moderator who has given me time. I am Alia Nur Hidayah from Islamic Banking Department at Masum University. Today, I will present the paper titled Fair Value Analysis using the Dividend Discount Model method for companies share in the new and renewable energy subsector on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. In this paper, I asked the three other person to the other, namely Widyasari and Nuraini. Okay, let's take a look to the first point. This is about the introducing of the study. Indonesia has a target of contributing 23% of new and renewable energy to the national primary energy mix by 2025. The table shows 14 companies that have begun transforming toward renewable energy. Only 5 experience revenue growth, while the rest experience decline. In terms of probability, Tuba had the had the highest, India had the lowest, regarding the price of share. Bern was the most expensive, while Ruiz was the cheapest. Damerganes research believes the dividend policy theory is relevant because in an ideal capital market, the value of a company and the shareholder is underrated the dividend payment. One fundamental analysis commonly used by investors. The dividend discount model (DDM) is a classic method used to determine a fair share price. In a study by Sucipto regarding the determination of interest value using the discounted cash flow (DCF) and dividend discount model (DDM) method, the result of the study show that using the DDM method, 40 companies were undervalued and only 3 companies were overvalued. While using the DCF method, 25 companies were undervalued and 18 companies were overvalued. The population this study is energy sector companies operating in renewable energy and listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in 2020 until 2024. There are 14 energy sector companies with renewable energy listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange as of 2024. However, of these companies, only 9 companies will distribute dividend until 2024. In this study, the valuation technique, the dividend discount model (DDM) method, the fair value of share using the multivariate dividend discount model (DDM) involves several conclusion steps as follows. First, calculating the annual dividend growth rate. Second, calculating the estimated expense dividend. Third, calculation the required rate of return using the CAPM. For calculating the fair value of share using the multivariate dividend discount model (DDM), investor can make investment decision based on the following result. If fair value greater than current price, I mean under value. If fair value less than current price is meant over value. Below we show the result of the research. Strong economic growth supported by Noral Company of GDP from the expenditure side will in fact increase energy demand. This is because higher levels of activity require more energy. Similarly, trend in electricity consumption from household affiliates to learn comparatives are ensuring demand for electricity. From an industrial perspective, competition in the energy sector, which initially focused on fossil plus the gradual shifting the renewable energy. This transformation requires significant investment and a longer playback period. Consequently, main value statement appear to show declining revenues. In this regard, the energy sector is highly dependent on economic growth. Beyond the factor, there are many other factors that influence stock price beyond company performance. Based on the result and discussion above, several conclusions can be drawn as follows. The result of the fair value stock population using the dividend discount model method show a significant gap between the fair value population and the actual market price. 7 stocks in the energy sector which renewable energy are undervalued. While the result of the fair value stock population using the dividend discount model method show a significant gap between the fair value population and the actual market price. 2 stocks in the energy sector which renewable energy are overvalued. So that's all for me for today. Thank you for your attention. I close this presentation by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.